It's me. We have a new pet. Say hello to Cole.
Yeah, Cole.
Yes, he's taking a shit. That is Cole. Say hi to the world, Cole. Why are you taking a shit? And we have another animal with us. Where is she? Hey, where'd she go? She was around here somewhere.
Is the dog in there with y'all?
Oh my god.
Where's she at? Get.
Say look, there she is. I hope you guys can see her. And that is my brother. But there's my favorite friend, Diamond. My best friends. My best friends are
Hey, you wanna see something
don't
cool?
judge me. What's up?
No, you have to look at it. There you go.
Yeah, cats and dogs.
Not working.
Well, I guess I will see you guys later. And here's my brother. Hi.
Bye.
Bye.